This is We Talk Football SA. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Baba, ubone kanjani umdlalo?
I think this game today was a mixture of both sides trying to dominate.
Yes.
Because Kaizer Chiefs was dominating in the first half, where we even managed to score one goal through the Sundowns mistakes.
Yes.
So which looks like almost offside, but when I look at that guy, Matau put Silva on side, so that to make that clear and a nice goal for number 8 for Silva.
Yeah.
So which makes him likely one of the leading goal scorers in the PSL.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and then coming to game again, when we look at our midfield, it was almost good, but I think it was lacking somewhere.
Yes.
That's why you saw our coach trying to replace Ndlovu from Teto.
Yes.
So I think he was just trying to enhance his midfield. But at the end of the day, Kaizer Chiefs now have become a defending team. We are not supposed to play defensive football.
Yes.
We need to attack.
Yeah,
so
it's
that
a big team.
the best thing to do is to attack.
Yeah.
And then if you don't attack, you can't score.
Yes.
So, but because the best way to defend is to score.
attack.
So if you don't score, then you're going to defend one goal, which always is costing us. A lot of games we've been scoring one goals, and then at the end of the day, the other team, when they recover, and then we are always end up with one point, which is now costing us. Now we are fighting for number 3 because of the way we approach the games.
If they were attacking from the beginning of the season, they
if
would be
we were
satisfied.
attacking, I'm telling you, we will be maybe talking a nice story now.
Yeah, maybe fighting for the league.
Yeah, of course,
Yes.
and which we deserve to fight for the league.
Yes.
This is Kaizer Chiefs, is one of the big teams in Southern Hemisphere, if not Southern Africa.
Yeah.
So we're supposed to fight for the league, not just to fight for crunches.
I agree.
Yeah.
So now, if you were part of Chiefs management, would you fire at the end of the season the coaches, because they've done so well lately?
Not to fire them. I think they are doing good job somewhere, somehow.
Yes.
But my only worry is that if it's them, why are they always wearing some headsets?
Yeah.
So it seems like they're speaking to someone. So they are not making final decision.
Yes.
They are just front.
There's somebody upstairs.
There must be someone, which I don't know who he is, but he is trying by all means. I think he's doing a nice job, whoever he is. But so I can't say anything about firing or dismissing. But obviously, we need a coach who can make a decision. That will be the best for Kaizer Chiefs, because we are not here to fight for number 3 anymore.
Should we fight for the championship?
We are supposed to fight for a championship. And then for the previous seasons, we've been fighting for number 9, maybe top 8.
For top 8,
So
and sometimes we don't get
it's
it.
very bad.
But this season it's much better.
This season it means we are coming to the party now.
Improving.
Even the South African the petrol went up now, because we are struggling. If Kaizer Chiefs can just win,
petrol can go down.
The petrol will go down. It's too expensive.
No, that's true, my brother.
Yeah, petrol is very expensive. If we can win, I'm telling you, petrol is gonna go down. We can get petrol for 10 rand. Because now petrol, when I look, is 26 rand something. So imagine it's going to 30 rand.
Yeah.
So it's very bad.
No, thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
Thank you.